Well, hello everybody and greetings once again from the Florida RV Supershow. I'm riding with my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV. Well, some of you requested that I show the new Wonder floor plan by Leisure Travel Vans, and this is it. Let's check it out. Well, here we are inside the new floor plan for the Leisure Travel Vans Wonder. If you recall, the old one had like a TV here in the front that flipped up. Well, this one, they went a different route. They have two sofas. It is a twin bed. Apparently here it's on the, like the other Wonder is on the Ford Transit chassis. We have some storage up here, and this is definitely a different aesthetic concept than the other Leisure Travel Vans. There's a bit of prep area here, and then you have these huge drawers, and then I was looking at this and I'm thinking, what the heck? There's no table, but yes, there is a table, and there's this thing that flips out here. Check that out. And then, okay, this might be a two-handed operation. I don't know. Let me just stick the camera there, and then there you go. You have the table, and I'm gonna do one of these like a theme, you know. So that's the table. It's an interesting concept here for sure, and you have like the two cup holders and twin beds, which twin beds and Murphy beds seem to be the thing lately. And this probably I'm not gonna do it right now because but this probably converts into a large king size bed if you really want to. Let's check out the bathroom here. We have the shower is nice. We have a little light here even, and yeah, I mean I have a couple of inches left here, and I'm 5'10". Oops. There's a tiny faucet, and then it's a plastic toilet. Let me find out how much this is, because these Wonders are very nice. Huge wardrobe closet there. Down here we have more storage, and then there's the TV with a Bose soundbar. Very nice. And this wonderful Wonder was $129. Now it's $112. Very nice. Slowly starting to get crowded here at the Florida Super Show. I think the salespeople are getting desperate. They're giving away a free TV now. Big rigs. I lost count of how many RVs I've seen in the past 3 days.
I borrowed his jacket.
How are you, Luis?
Nice
Robert,
meeting you.
nice meeting you too.
Yeah.
Luis and Lidia, they have a YouTube channel too, and maybe I'll maybe I'll meet him later.
Worry, why do I let myself worry?
So much fun. Howdy.
Alabarunga Bahuchi go to magic for you. Ooh. Barunga Bahuchiku. I am Alabarunga Bahuchiku. And today you will have a cool kind of day.
Hi. Here we've got the base camp by Airstream. Check this out. It's tiny little camper. Someone said they wanted to see one of the Airstreams. There's the pleasure way. That's the one I showed you, the Atlas, the one I showed you on the first video. But let's take a look at some of this. The very, very small Airstream. They show you really quick inside the Airstream Sport, and this is regular 50 grand. Today is 43, and this is the Sport 16 RB. Very small, very small unit. You have your bed here, Colin.
Is it big enough for your nails?
And there's a dinette on this side, and here we have a wet bath.
You can get a shower, but your mirror's going to fog up and get wet.
Park models, of course. Well, look who we found again. We found Lidia and Luis, and they haven't seen me yet. Hi, Lidia.
I before. I was like, oh, he's I wanted to get a picture with you, all of us.
Of course, yeah. Let's do a selfie. I think
Where
Luis
did
is.
they go?
I think
Let's
Luis is
go.
going to trade the van for
This
one
is
of.
what I came for because I want to get one of these for my property. I'm thinking of moving into one of these
Oh, yeah?
and then just renting my house out because I have the 3
Yeah.
acres.
Cool. Yeah.
Now Christian's not there, so he went to school,
Yeah.
so I don't need anything that big. Let's get a picture, all of us. He's back.
Oh, Rob is back. There we
Yeah.
go.
Hey. Get a picture with Van Jones. No, the regular Luis.
We're gonna have good lighting. This way. We gotta be
Yeah. Let's
gotta be this way.
like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go over here.
Oh, that's a cute little camera. It's 4K.
Yes.
Oh, that's tiny. What is that?
It's Sony.
Oh,
It's
this
a
is,
Sony
this is like,
Sony Action Cam.
Get over here,
It's like
Bob.
a GoPro, but made by Sony. Let me clean my lens here.
Oh, don't worry
This
about
is the
that.
dual link cameras. There's Luis with his big camera, Lidia with the phone. And,
I'm not filming yet.
No, you're not filming yet?
Now I am.
There you go.
Where's Bob?
Bob is
That's
back
Bob. Bob, Lydia, Rob, me.
here. Yay.
All right, get over here.
This
Bob.
is a traveling Robert. Everybody,
smile.
if you don't know him yet.
This is Luis,
I.
rolling Earthship. Lydia, simply RVing, and he needs a YouTube channel.
Bobby V, no channel yet.
But soon to be.
Definitely.
Everybody smile. Say cheese.
Cheers.
Have another phone. Have another camera here.
If you have enjoyed traveling with us, make sure you are subscribed and check out my other videos. Also, share it with your friends, spread the word, and leave me a comment. Now, if you really liked it, you have a chance to show your support at patreon.com/travelingrobert. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you on the road.